Welcome back everyone. It's been a while, but it's time for another workshop walk around. Okay, so yeah, it's been a while since the last monthly workshop walk around. Just had so much going on at home, at work, and the show we did just took up a lot of time, and well, you know it is, life gets in the way. But I've got been taking loads of little videos of the jobs we've been doing. Just need to get around to putting them all together and get them uploaded onto YouTube for you. But yeah, since the last video, Rich has bought this 1 or 2 owner 1303. It's 48,000 miles, never welded. It's a really cool car. It's a bit of me, that. So I've got a few jobs to do on it. I think he wants to do the clutch and tidy the engine up, just detail the engine. It's nice, but let's make that look a bit better. He's got a few little jobs he wants to do. And then this is my next project for me and my lad. He wanted a beach buggy and I wanted a project, so this come up cheap, and I thought that's the next project sorted. So we'll be building a short wheelbase Manx. I've got a few. I'm not going totally mad with it, but I want to do a nice job. And then that's Colin's and mine that you've seen. Right, this is Nick's Oval that is back from the blasters, which you probably haven't seen since the last video. We didn't have the best experience with the blasters, but that's a story for another day. Yeah, overall, it's a bit worse than we thought, but still, pretty much as we expected. Just a few extra bits and bobs, but nothing major. Nick's been ordering a load of panels for that, and they're pretty much all in. I think we're waiting for one more delivery, and then when that's here, we'll make a start. We'll make a start on the metalwork on that. Right, this is the BMW that Rich has been doing the metalwork on. He's still got to do the back arches, need repairs. He's done loads of little repairs like number plate lights, all this around the back, lights, rotted out, it's double skinned, that was a bit of a pain, but he's made all the panels for that and welded them in. Oops. A little repair on the sills, and both the front wings have been stripped back, and he's put repair sections in the front of both of them, and on the bottom down there is done. What else? This is Rob's buggy chassis that's been painted and ready to collect. And I think, oh yeah, the 58 Beetle that we restore at the minute, which is there. I've been working on the chassis, so I repaired the frame head, new bottom plate. The frame head had pieces there both sides. Welded the holes up for the master cylinder, and they need to go on that side because it's being converted to right hand drive. Took the tabs off here and welded them on that side. Same with the pedal hole, and got the Wolfsburg West pans in, spot welded them in. That's factory, new rear cross members welded in. Still need to transfer the brake T-piece section over to the right hand side for the right hand drive and finish off the master cylinder hole, the accelerate pedal and the battery clamp, and I think that's pretty much done, and the chassis will be ready to go. Then we have classic fab channels to go on his car, so we'll probably get the channels, rear cross members, front bulkhead all as we want them, bolted to the chassis, cut it all off the body and lift the body over. That's probably how we'll do this one, because well it's all over the place that the body is. Right, and Colin's bus, all the back's been prepped up, ready to go, and the sides I've been removing the white emulsion, I think it is, coming off quite easy. back to the original paint. It's had some extra work there that was under the white that we didn't know about. So I'm gonna have to reprep that and reprime that, and then when we do the paint work, I'll probably end up, because it's had full corners, paint the corners, paint to here, and blend it in there and do the same with the sill repair. Just blend it up into there. So it'd be nice to keep the original paint. And I think then Colin's going to have it back, and I think he'll be taking all the white off himself, like the front panels are nice. And then when the original paint's polished up, it'll be quite a nice match with the original. Then we need to get it on the rollover jig, paint the underneath, and bolt the powder coated things that we've had done all back on, and get it rolling, and then be ready for Colin to collect. So yeah, that's where we are with things at the minute. I have been taking videos of all the work I've been doing. Richard's been taking some videos. So I've got to get them all on the computer and sort the videos out. It's a lot of work. Just keep your eye out for some videos coming up on YouTube. It's been crazy busy. So they'll be out soon. But yeah, that's where we are anyway. So I hope you guys are all good, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.